Hello everyone, this is a quick video tutorial of how you can add a background to your PowerPoint presentation. And let's start how we can add. So first you have to open your PowerPoint presentation and move to the slide where you want to add your background to the slide. So first of all, you have to right click on the slide and you have to move to format background. Once you move to background, you will see that a tab will open with name format background, and here you can select multiple options. So if you want to fill color in the background, so by default it is selected. So you can change color from here, and you can see that the color is changing. You can also check the gradient and fill the gradient color into your presentation, and you can see that I am changing the color and the gradient is adding to our presentation slide. So here is the second option, and a third option called picture or texture fill. When you click this, by default the PowerPoint has added a picture or a texture, but you can change this. You have to click on insert, and when you click on insert, a tab will open instructing you to insert pictures. You have to click on from file if you want to change the picture from your computer. So you have to click on this option. Once you click, a folder will arrive, or you can also move to your particular folder. So you have to click on the picture and open, and when you insert, you can see that picture is inserted into your presentation. You can also change the settings. So if you change the transparency mode, you can see that the transparency is changing, and also you can check the other options also. So you can check this on your own. Also, if you want to fill the pattern in your slide, so you have to check the pattern fill, and here you can check you can select any pattern and check uh, into your PowerPoint presentation. Also, if you want to color change the foreground and background color, so you can also check these options. Here you can see, and a pattern is changing, and here is all option. You can also use this hide background graphics. So this is used when you use the pattern fill and you have selected any background graphics, so you can check this to hide your background graphics. So that's all. You can always add, you can if you want, you can add any picture to your PowerPoint presentation, and you have to select it from your system. So thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting PowerPoint videos. Thank you so much.